Finding the perfect food processor can make meal prep faster, easier, and more efficient. This video features 5 of the best options for 2026, combining powerful motors, versatile attachments, and easy-to-clean designs. Whether you want to chop, blend, or knead, these food processors are built to handle a wide range of kitchen tasks with precision. Let's get started. Number 5. BALASHOV Heavy-Duty Food Processor. The BALASHOV Heavy-Duty Food Processor is a powerhouse kitchen appliance designed for efficiency and versatility. Equipped with a 2,000-watt motor, it effortlessly blends smoothies, crushes ice, and even minces meat, handling whole fruits, vegetables, and ice in seconds. This ensures maximum nutrient and vitamin extraction for consistently healthy and flavorful results. Its BP, a free blending jar, and lid are built for durability and safe handling, while the ergonomic handle makes pouring and transferring effortless. Stability is enhanced with anti-slip suction feet, preventing movement during high-speed blending and ensuring safe operation on any countertop. The stainless steel blades are hardened to tackle the toughest ingredients, providing consistent performance from the first blend to the last. The processor features multiple speeds and settings, allowing precise control for tasks such as grinding spices, making fresh juices, or preparing nut butters. Cleaning is simple and efficient with the automatic cleaning function. Just add water, press the switch, and within 30 to 60 seconds, the blender is clean and ready for the next use. Its robust construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable addition to any kitchen. Pros: powerful motor, durable construction, versatile function. Cons: slightly bulky for smaller kitchens. Number 4. VEVOR Food Processor. The VEVOR Food Processor is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for efficiency, power, and safety. Its 9-cup large capacity is ideal for preparing meals for big families, allowing you to chop, slice, shred, and puree ingredients in seconds. This makes it perfect for everything from vegetables and fruits to meats and dough. The processor includes 10 tool sets, featuring 7 combinational blades, a stainless steel S-shaped blade, a plastic S-shaped blade, and a scraper. These tools allow for precise chopping, shredding, slicing, kneading dough, and even creating milkshakes and sauces. Its 600-watt motor provides reliable performance across 2 adjustable speed settings, plus a pulse function for greater control over texture and consistency. Safety is ensured with a double lock mechanism, which prevents the machine from operating unless both locks are engaged. This provides peace of mind during use. Additionally, all food contact parts are made from BP of free, food-grade materials, keeping every preparation safe and hygienic. Convenience is a focus as well. A built-in drawer allows neat storage of blades and accessories, keeping your kitchen organized and your tools accessible. The combination of large capacity, multiple functions, and thoughtful design makes the VEVOR Food Processor a reliable addition to any kitchen for daily meal preparation. Pros: large capacity, multiple tool sets, safe and efficient operation. Cons: motor may struggle with very dense ingredients. Number 3. BioloMix 3-in-1 Food Processor. The BioloMix 3-in-1 multifunctional food processor combines a blender, food chopper, and grinder into a single, versatile kitchen appliance. It comes with a 600 milliliter blender bottle, a 1200 milliliter chopper bowl, and a 100 milliliter grinder cup, giving you the flexibility to prepare smoothies, chop vegetables, or grind spices with ease. Powered by a 700-watt motor, the processor achieves speeds of up to 24,000 revolutions per minute. Its 4 sharp 304 stainless steel blades handle tough ingredients and ice cubes effortlessly, producing smooth and consistent results. The robust motor and high-speed performance make meal preparation faster and more efficient, whether you are making sauces, purees, or blended beverages. Safety and durability are ensured with BPA-free food-grade plastic components. Assembly is quick and intuitive, allowing you to switch between blending, chopping, and grinding tasks in moments. After use, cleaning is simple. The blender bottle, chopper bowl, and grinder cup are all removable and easy to rinse with water. For those who need portability, the 600 ml BPA-free blender bottle is leak-resistant with a silicone sealing ring and features an ergonomic handle, making it perfect for carrying smoothies or juices during outdoor activities such as cycling, camping, or jogging. Pros: multifunctional design, powerful motor, portable blender bottle. Cons: small grinder capacity may require multiple batches for larger tasks. Number 2. BioloMix 3 HP Food Processor. The BioloMix 3 HP food processor delivers professional-grade performance with a maximum power of 2200 watts and 3 peak horsepower, capable of handling everything from smoothies and frozen desserts to soups and nut butters. Its hardened Japan stainless steel 6-wave action blades reach speeds of up to 30,000 rotations per minute, ensuring fast ice crushing and consistently smooth blends. Variable speed control allows precise customization of texture, whether you are making chunky salsas, silky smoothies, or creamy sauces. The pulse function adds even greater flexibility, enabling short bursts of power for delicate tasks. For convenience, the built-in timer lets you set blending from 1 to 5 minutes, automatically stopping when your chosen time is complete, making it ideal for multitasking in the kitchen. This processor excels in versatility. It can crush ice in just 10 seconds without extra water, perfect for cocktails or frozen treats. From hot soups and sauces to hummus and juices, the BioloMix handles a wide range of tasks with consistent results. Safety features are robust, including a cooling system to prevent overheating, motor protection, and an overload reset switch, ensuring the appliance operates reliably during heavy use. Its durable construction and advanced engineering make it a dependable addition to any kitchen. Pros: exceptional power, precise speed control, versatile functionality. Cons: large size may take up significant countertop space. Number 1. Ninja BL770. The Ninja BL770 is a high-performance kitchen appliance powered by a 1500-watt motor capable of handling everything from blending and food processing to mixing dough. Its 72-ounce total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice and frozen fruit into snow in seconds, delivering smooth and consistent results for smoothies, frozen drinks, and other recipes. For single-serve convenience, it includes 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with to-go lids, ideal for personalized nutrient-rich drinks that you can take anywhere. The 8-cup processor bowl simplifies chopping and mixing, while the included dough blade can prepare up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for bread, pizza, and pastry preparations. The Ninja BL770 comes with specialized blades designed for every task. The stacked blade assembly for the pitcher handles crushing and blending, while the dough blade and chopping blade manage food processing tasks efficiently. The Nutri-Ninja blades ensure smooth results in the single-serve cups, creating an all-in-one system for versatile kitchen use. Ease of cleanup is another highlight. All removable components, including the pitcher, processor bowl, cups, and blades, are dishwasher safe, allowing you to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Pros: powerful motor, versatile blades, easy cleanup. Cons: large footprint may require significant countertop space. There you have 5 of the best food processors for 2026, each offering unique features to simplify your cooking routine. From powerful blending to precise chopping and dough making, these appliances are designed to make your kitchen work smarter. Check the description for the latest prices and product links to find the one that suits your needs perfectly.